Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So real quick about my trading. So I got a position open on Euro USD on buy. I'm hoping to fill it up all this move. So basically that was the yesterday's move, and it's been like a pullback. He was showing me like the pullback, and usual what the people does from here, they're trying to go short on here to take those lows. But what I did a little bit more smarter. I just took like that 50%, and I just saw this rejection and I just enter. Due to the fact that here is a little bit of imbalance, here is kind of a order block, which I don't really trade, but man, it's so many videos on YouTube that you can't really just keep that. So when I saw this move, yeah, I knew like they kind of have to fill it up this move. So I'm like, let me enter like a smart money, but I don't really usually trade like that. I enter here and I put the stop loss below this. The reason why, if we check in the 4 hours, you will see guys here a huge bullish engulfing on the 4 hour. So due to the fact that it's engulfing the previous candle, I counting this as a good reversal. If would be this one, would be like a pin bar, and then like the move started, I wouldn't take the trade. But due to the fact that is particularly is engulfing this candle, I waited like the 50% and I just took it. And when I saw that order block on the smaller time frame, on the 5 minutes, I thought that's a good idea to take long, so I took it, and that's what actually works. I'm targeting this low of the Asia the previous day, so hopefully it will work out. We'll see guys. But yeah guys, that was just a quick update, and I will see you in the next video. By the way, that's not the way how I trade. I don't know guys, I just thought like that's gonna be a good trade, so I just enter. But usually I don't really trade like that. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice trading day. Later.